been a minute. I'm back on it. It's been a little gloomy out, but today's Supercar Saturdays. I'm about to go over there, see what I can see. Honestly, I would like to see a new ZR1. I really plan on getting it one of these days. Hopefully somebody got one out there, but I haven't seen one on the road yet. We're sitting here October like the 11th. I haven't seen the ZR1 yet, the new one, the C8, but I look forward to seeing it. But y'all see it. I got the merch on the way. ShopLeftLaneMerch.com. Go ahead and grab a shirt, sweater, hoodie, or whatever. Should be a lot of good stuff on there. Some things I think y'all like. But yeah, we on the way to Supercar Saturdays. Let's see what we can see today. Let's get it. I don't think it's gonna be that packed today. The weather look a little gloomy, but we'll see. I ain't been in a while. It's been a while since I've been here. I can't even remember. But I know it's October. Like I said, hopefully I get to see a ZR1. But I know there's more exotic stuff out here, like Lambos and Ferraris and Rolls Royces and all type of custom stuff. But yeah, hopefully we see something newer than last time. Look here, as you can see, this is the 06 right there, looking nice. Yeah. Still early. Ooh, look at this G8. Got the G8. Nice as hell. This blue and this orange. Look at the seats. You got the orange in the background of the seats. I don't think you can see clear. Carbon fiber. Hood scoop. Nice. Supercars. I believe it's a Supercars. $296, I think this is. Excuse me. Yeah, $296. SVJ. Ooh, excuse me. Yeah. F8 and a goddamn Revolto blacked out with the super black tint. Should look like a Batmobile. I don't know why this black looks so nice on this. Black looks so damn nice on this. See the engine. Back here. Can't beat it. Porsche section. For some home cooking at Hard Rock Stadium this week when they host the Chargers. What's good, man? I watch your YouTube.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, no problem. Just saw, I think his name Will Motivated. All right. Porsche section. I keep thinking this might be a GT4 RS. I keep thinking it's a GT3. Y'all can see, look at the back of the Porsches. I'm skipping these. Excuse me. It's the Porsche section. I'm a little earlier, still more cars coming, but I'm getting this footage before it rains. Not trying to get rained on. You hear that exhaust? I've been on a hunt for one. I thought this was a ZR1. I thought it was a ZR1. But it's a Z06, but look damn sure like it. Got the full package. Got the full package. I thought it was a ZR1, but it looked nice though. Oops. Look real nice. Carbon fiber hood. Corvette section. Feel humid as hell out here. Probably gonna get me an icy or something in a minute. Still cars coming out. It's still early. No ZR1 yet. Hoping. Oh, here's a Z. Oh, that's a Z06. Nice. Corvette got their own section. Dang, that hood is nice. I like the way they did this one. Volto. That blacked out one was nice though. GT500. It's still coming in.
Clean, bro. And now when we took out the Ferrari, we got it dirty, so I was like,
Mustang boys, these things hard right here. Little vents. Must admit, I like this G8. The hood is nice. Hellcat. I don't think it's a red eye though. Still nice though.
Make sure you have good tires.
455 LT1. GTR. Oops, sorry. Working. Super fast 296 SF90. Shit is nice. Rims are nice. Oh snap, it's a GTV. Ford GTV. Wow. like, I don't think this was here when I came here earlier.